If you have a Macan that does not have Sports Chrono, there are plenty of aftermarket companies that make the clock and wiring harness. This video will show you how to replace your Sports Chrono Clock and/or add one. Our project vehicle is a GTS, which came standard with the GTS package. You are going to be prying the plate out from the dash. The dash is very expensive, so do yourself a favor and get a good set of trim removal tools. We use the Schwab trim removal kit with great success. You will need to remove the entertainment system to pull the wiring connection to get all of the functions if you are adding the system to the vehicle. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with the entertainment system removal. Begin by gently sliding the forward part of the trim piece towards the rear of the vehicle, red arrows, and gently lifting it up. I was able to do this with just my hands. Working your way around the outside from the front to the rear, gently lift the plate separating the clips from the dash, red arrow. The blue arrows indicate the tabs that need to be slid back on the plate, and the red arrows indicate the hooks by the clock. Carefully release these and lift the plate up and out. Turn the plate with the clock in it around and separate the wiring connection, red arrow. Leave the wiring in place if you are just replacing the clock. If you are adding the clock and the Sports Chrono function, this is the area where you will run the wiring harness down through to the entertainment system, red arrow. Place the plate face down on a clean, soft surface and use a T25 torque to remove the clock mounting screws, red arrows. You can now remove the clock. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you are adding the clock and the Sports Chrono, you will need to code the system once it is installed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.